Is your Xfinity 4K streaming box giving you trouble? Black screen, buffering, or just not turning on? Don't worry, most issues can be fixed with a few simple steps. We'll cover rebooting, network resets, and factory resets. As of late 2025, Xfinity has been rolling out updates to fix bugs. A simple reboot or power cycle is the first thing to try. Unplug the box for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary memory and often solves frozen screens or app crashes. Xfinity's support data shows 70% of reported problems are resolved with this single step. If a reboot doesn't work, try a network reset. Go to the device's settings menu and reset your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. This fixes IP address conflicts or signal issues that prevent stable streaming. If problems persist, a factory reset is the last resort. This wipes all your data and settings, returning the box to its original state. Warning, you'll need to reset up your accounts and preferences. To perform a factory reset, follow the on-screen prompts in the settings menu. Remember, Xfinity's app now has a smart diagnostics tool to guide you through these steps with voice commands or AI chat. According to a 2025 Consumer Reports survey, while reboots fix 75% of issues, factory resets solve 20% of more complex cases.